So I've finally finished the Black Hearted Sassafras yarn bowl. This one's actually taken a bit of time because I started this one before I started redoing the shed, so it sort of sat in the corner for a while and didn't get a lot of love. During which time, even though I thought the blank was dry, it did shrink a little bit this way and change shape a little bit, but I think that just adds to the character of it a little bit more. It hasn't really affected it. The colours are just beautiful, and I think it's really come up a treat. I'm happy with this one. Kind of wish I had more blanks that would look like this. Oh wait, I do. So maybe later, hopefully when they're dry. So yeah, this one here, I weighed it before I started and it already lost about 25 to 27% of its weight. So I assumed that it was drier than it was, but it's still not wet. It's actually only shrunk a little bit as it's dried. But yeah, I thought surely losing 25%, it'd be close, but not quite. So those ones are going to take a little bit longer to do. Anyway, very happy with it, and I'm hoping that the new owner will be really happy with it when it goes to a new home. Thanks a lot. See you later.